Hi, today we're gonna attempt to install carpet on these stairs. Have I ever installed carpet before? No. Do I know how to install carpet? Also no. But I did watch some video online, so I'm hoping that we'll just figure it out as we go.
I had this staple gun just lying around the house and I tried to load the heavy duty carpet staples into it and almost broke it. Apparently this is not a heavy duty staple gun for construction. It's for stapling artwork to the wall or something. But I did order a heavy duty one that hopefully will arrive today.
Heavy duty stapler. Check.
Now, apart from the staple gun, the staples, and the carpet, I did get some carpet tape. This one apparently is permanent. There is a spot that I need to permanently fix, so I'm gonna use that there. But apparently with this type of tape, you need to use acetone or some sort of heavy duty stripper to get it off. So I got this one instead. It says that you can use it on carpet. So hopefully this won't leave a big stain. We're planning on redoing these stairs, so really the only reason why I'm putting carpet on here is to make it less of a safety hazard.
I also got this multi-tool. I have no idea if it's gonna work, but it's supposed to be like a creaser slash carpet cutter because my utility knife is dull as hell. Since I don't really know what I'm doing, I'm gonna start with these stairs first because they're the least noticeable, and therefore, if I make any mistakes, hopefully they won't be super noticeable. Jesus, this is a lot of carpet. All right, so let's see if my calculations are correct. According to the video, 6.5 feet of carpet should cover 4 stairs. We have 5 stairs. I wrote down that we needed probably about 8 feet, but we'll see what it comes out to, I guess. Looks like the stairs are about 35.25. Maybe I can get away with 35. So I've got this nice long metal ruler, thank you, architecture school, that I'm gonna use as a straight edge to cut this carpet. Apparently you wanna do it upside down. I guess that makes sense. What are the odds that I end up cutting my new floors? Fingers crossed that none will happen. Did that work? Clear. Oh no, you need to go I'm afraid to do this on my floor. Fuck. I don't wanna move it back into the garage, so it's such a pain in the ass to get it out here. What do I do? I guess I go back in the garage. Damn it. All right, so the reason I decided to move into the garage is because you have to cut pretty hard to get through the carpet, and I don't want to damage my floors, so garage it is next to the dumpster. So classy. Okay, so my hubby already went through and got rid of most of the nails and screws, but you're still gonna wanna go through and clean them up. Got some pliers. I don't know if this will work. Came with my dinky staple gun. Yeah, no, I don't like that. Pliers for the win. These are stairs that we're planning on replacing at some point anyways, I'm going to use the non-permanent double-sided tape for this. I basically just copied from the video where those spiky carpet strips were in the video. Hopefully the tape plus some staples will be enough to keep the carpet in place. Give you a sample. So in the video that I watched, they installed it from the bottom up. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh my God, that was hard work, but I gotta say, not bad, especially for having never done this before. When I do these flights, I'll do more of an in-depth tutorial of what I'm actually doing here, but I'm calling it a night. Oh my God, that was a lot. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for part 3 and follow along for more home DIY.